Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tarot Universe. Please take a deep breath in, hold it and take it out. Feel your energy, feel the universe. We have the Fool. You're in your energy where you're feeling yourself. You're reviving, you're growing. Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups where you're trying to move on but you cannot, you are stuck. Death. It's like a caterpillar who died for the butterfly to reborn, to be born. Okay, for the butterfly to be born. It's reborn. I said reborn, right? So maybe you want your like badass energy back. King of Cups, emotional detachment, total emotional detachment, and we have the Sun reverse. Not happy. You want to come in this energy. You want to be thing, but you cannot forget. Cannot forget and let go what just happened. So let's take the confirmation cards. We have Seven of Wands. You're defending yourself, defending your energy from the people who hurt you. We have Six of Swords. You feel extremely hurt, and because of that, you're stuck in this energy. With this stuck energy, you're defending yourself, you're trying to grow. Nine of Pentacles. How you're trying to grow is by focusing on your pentacles. You're trying to grow by focusing on your pentacles. You're reborn. You're being reborn. You're trying to heal. Knight of Swords. You want to come out as emotionally detached, but you're not that person who is. You're trying to forgive and forget. You have forgiven, but you cannot forget. And sometimes you again, it comes back to your mind, so you don't even forgive sometimes. You again think, how could this person do this to me? It can be family, friends, or partner, lover, something like that. Somebody that has hurt you. You cannot say no, and every time you get into this trap, like circle of life, round, round. Okay, so Astrodice, Moon, Capricorn, and we have seventh house. Okay, seventh house. With the Moon, you have emotional baggage. With the Capricorn, you're focusing on work, and a seventh house is relationship and partnership, family maybe also, like more relationship and partnership. So yes, to come out of this emotion, it's maybe a partner that is hurting you or your friend that's like very close. Maybe some of y'all are like LGBTQ community, maybe it's coming. Okay, so with the Capricorn energy again, you're in these pentacles, you're focusing on work so that these emotions don't harm you. You can move on from this so these emotions don't harm you. So coming out of this, yeah, these emotions don't harm you. You're trying to become, what is that called? Emotionally detached. Although you cannot, it hurts you. You're trying to. You are becoming slowly, slowly. Since it's reverse, you're becoming slowly, slowly. Or you cannot forget in one day. Seven. Yeah, you're coming out of this. You regret some things, but now you see it's part of my growth. Okay, let's see the like the energy. We have the healing heart, healing heartbroken, toxicity, addiction, abusive relationship. So you're coming out of that. You're coming out of this energy. You're focusing on healing. You're focusing on pentacles, growing more money. So let's see what's gonna come for you. We have the devil. Okay, this came out reverse. So you're breaking the chains, you're breaking the patterns. Ten of Swords. You have responsibilities, you have lots of responsibilities, but day by day you're becoming attractive. You're pulling people around you. And we have Queen of Wands with confidence. You're getting confident in yourself. You're trying to step up for yourself. You're becoming confident. And we have Seven of Pentacles. Impulsive actions. Be careful of your impulsive actions. Be careful. For your guidance, you have last quarter moon in Virgo. So you may be Capricorn. So because this energy has reflected twice and like very like focused, very precise and focusedly it has. And also your moon may be in Virgo. So you might check onto that, or you might be a Virgo too, or Capricorn might be one of your energies. So maybe your sun energy or something. So you can see. So the guidance is attend to the details. So because of this imperfection, like imperfection, it's coming impatient. Because of the impatient energy, don't try to be overconfident and do something that is that you might regret later. Yeah, you are breaking chains, you're healing, but be cautious, attend to the details. Okay. I can see lots of people are, plotting against you or getting a group together to talk about you, although you don't care who's coming to hurt you. But please be careful. Okay. I hope you like my readings. Every time I do the person in my mind, no contact thoughts, but you matter more than your person. You should know that. Okay. I love you. Please claim the reading by liking and subscribing to my channel. Also, please pass a comment or write "I claim this energy" so that you can exchange this energy from me. It's a very beautiful energy. You're growing your self healing. Just a little bit of impatient, but you will move on from this energy as well. And a bit of like regret is there, but it will happen. Like time heals. Time heals. Even if time doesn't heal, it will allow us and it will teach us how to grow with the pain. You will be okay. Everybody does that. It's okay. I am here with you if you need me. My prices are very low. Please see the description box. You can talk to me. I'm there for you. Okay? Thank you so much.